Good morning, students. Let's discuss today's video. In this video, we discuss the types of partners that comes under partnership firm. Right, students? Earlier, we discussed the meaning, features, and demerits of partnership. Right, student? As per Section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Today, we discuss the types of partners that comes under partnership. Right, students? There are 7 types of partners that comes under partnership. Let's discuss one by one. The very first is active partners. Now students, what do you mean by the term active partners? Active partners are those partners who contributes capital in a firm, takes actively participate in the management decisions, right? The liability of those partners are unlimited, right? So these are known as active partner and share the profit and losses of the firm. So active partners are those partners who contribute capital in the firm, participate in management decisions, get share in profit and losses, and has got unlimited liability. I hope the very first is clear to you. Now come to second one, sleeping or dormant partners. Now student, the sleeping or dormant partners are those partners who does not participate in the management of the firm. Right, students? They contribute capital, share profit and losses, and has got unlimited liability, right, student, and has to pay the debt to the third party also. So these are known as sleeping or dormant partners. So let's discuss. These partners contribute capital, does not participate in management, get share in profit and losses, and has got unlimited liability. Now come to third one, secret partners. Secret partners are those partners, right, student, who secretly send his name in a partnership firm and his relation to that partnership firm is unknown to the outsiders. Right, students? So this is known as secret partner. So let's discuss secret partner. Secret partners are those partners who contribute capital, secretly participate in management, get share in profit and losses, unlimited liability, get share in profit and losses, and has got unlimited liability, but relation with the firm is not known to the outsiders. Of course, he can participate in the management decisions in a partnership firm, right, and liable to the third party also, but his relation to the firm is not known by the outsider to the outsider. I hope secret partner is clear to you. Now come to the next one, nominal partner. Nominal partner are those partners who contributes his name, his goodwill to the partnership firm. Though he is not at all the partner of that partnership firm, neither contribute capital, no profit, no losses, liability is unlimited, limited, no liability is there because he does not contribute capital to that partnership firm. So how can he is having a limited liability or unlimited liability? The question simply doesn't arise. So नॉमिनल पार्टनर सिर्फ अपना नाम देते हैं उस पार्टनरशिप फर्म को, अपनी गुडविल देते हैं उस पार्टनरशिप फर्म को, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो दीज आर नोन एज नॉमिनल पार्टनर्स. सो लेट्स डिस्कस नॉमिनल पार्टनर्स. नॉमिनल पार्टनर्स आर दोस पार्टनर्स हु डज नॉट कंट्रीब्यूट कैपिटल, डज नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन मैनेजमेंट, डज नॉट शेयर इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉसेस, but he is liable to the creditors for the repayment of firm's debt, right? But those partners are liable for the firm's debt of the third party, right? As he allows his or her name by a firm. उन्होंने अपना नाम दिया, उस पार्टनर ने अपना नाम दिया है उस पार्टनरशिप फर्म को, अपने गुडविल दी है उस पार्टनरशिप फर्म को, तो those partners are liable to the firm's debt, to a third party. I hope it is very much clear to you. Now come to another one, that is known as partner by estoppel. Now what do you mean by the term partner by estoppel? Partner by estoppel से पहले बेटा एक एग्जांपल से समझेंगे हम इसको. Suppose there is a one partnership firm, right students, उसमें 10 partners हैं और उन partnership firm को लोन लेने जाना है to the bank. He applies for that partnership firm applies loan in the bank. Bank give loan only at the time of guarantor और guarantee is there. So जो partnership firm है उसमें एक partner किसी अपने acquaintance है उसका कोई, या कोई उसका relative है, friend है, उसे जानता है, right student, और वो जो फ्रेंड, जो रिलेटिव एक्वेंटेंस है, वो लोन दिलवा देता है पार्टनरशिप फर्म को, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो ही इज अ गारंटर. तो at the time of non-repayment of the principal amount by that partnership firm, तो बैंक जो है has called that partner, जो कि पार्टनर है ही नहीं, that person जो acquaintance है, right स्टूडेंट, जो फ्रेंड रिलेटिव था, बैंक उसके पास जाएगी, उसको कॉल करेगी, because he is treated as a guarantor at the time of taking the loan. Right students, so this is known as partner by estoppel. He is not at all a partner, he is not contribute any capital, he is not able to have any profit or losses, but at the time of not paying the amount, so bank उस guarantor को पकड़ेगी, right, उसको कॉल किया जाएगा. So that is known as partner by estoppel. Let's discuss students. He does not contribute capital, does not participate in management, does not share in profit and losses, have unlimited liability towards the creditors, because he only act as a guarantor to the firm. Right students, I hope partner by estoppel is very much clear to you. Partner by holding out. Partner by holding out means उसने ऐसा pretend किया कि he is a partner of that firm, but actually में वो partner नहीं है उस firm का. Right students, at the time of taking the orders, या at the time of giving the orders, या at the time of receiving the orders in the market, that partner pretend कि मैं इस कंपनी का, इस पार्टनरशिप फर्म में इनके साथ हूँ, but originality he is not a partner to that firm. Right students, so this is known as partners by holding out. Right students, so let's discuss partner by holding out. Does not contribute capital to the firm, does not participate in management, does not get share in profit and losses, have unlimited liability to outside creditors, but has got the unlimited liability to the outside creditors for repayment of any debt. I hope this 6 is very much clear to you students. So let's discuss one by one. Active partner means simple partner who contributes capital, participate in the management in the partnership firm, right, share profit and losses, and has got unlimited liability. Sleeping or dormant partner who does not participate in the management of a firm, right, contributes capital, sharing profit and losses, and have got unlimited liability. Secret partners are those partners जिसका नाम बेटा secretly partnership में लिखा जाता है, right, his relation to the partnership firm is unknown to the outsiders. Nominal partners are those partners who lend their names, अपने goodwill देते हैं, अपना नाम देते हैं to that partnership firm, right. Those partnership is known as nominal partnership, and he is said to be nominal partners. Partnership by estoppel means those at the time of taking loan, उन किसी पार्टनर का कोई गारंट, किसी पार्टनर को एक्वेंटेंस है, फ्रेंड है, रिलेटिव है, राइट, वो बैंक से लोन दिलवा देता है और अपना ऐसा गारंटी अपना नाम लिखवा देता है, राइट, एट द टाइम ऑफ टेकिंग द लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक. सो उस कंडीशन के अंदर ही इज सेड टू बी दैट पर्सन, that relative, that friend, that acquaintance is said to be partner by estoppel, right? If that partnership is not able to pay the principal amount or repayment of the loan amount, so उस condition के अंदर bank has called that guarantor. Partner by holding out, he pretends that he is a partner, but actually he is not a partner in that partnership firm. Only at the time of taking some orders, only at the time of making relationship with the outside parties, he pretends that he is a partner. That is known as partners by holding out. Right students, I hope the very first 6 points it's very much clear to you. Now come to the 7th point. Minor is a partner. It is very much important students. Now what do you mean by the term minor? A minor is a person who has not attained the age of 18 years now. Of course, he is not a partner in a partnership firm. He is not become a part of a legal agreement in any partnership firm, right? But with the consent of other partners, he can become a partner of that partnership firm with the consent of all other partners, right students? So minor as a partner, he contributes capital. He only contributes capital and share the profits only to the amount of capital invested by him in that partnership firm. Right students, so let's discuss minor as a partner. He contributes capital, does not participate in management, does not get share in loss. He gets only share in profits. He gets only share in profit but not in loss. The liability of minor is limited to the extent of capital invested by him. Right students, He is a person who has not attained the age of 18 years. Of course, he can check the accounts. He can ask the copy of accounts from the partnership firm. I hope all the partners, it's very much clear to you under partnership. Now come to the next topic. The next topic is partnership deed. What do you mean by the term partnership deed? Students, as I told you earlier, partnership agreement is not compulsory. It may be oral or written. Right, students? But when partners or partnership firm wants कि भाई written agreement हम करवाएंगे, written agreement होना चाहिए, right? Before making partnership firm or after making partnership firm, at any time कि partnership agreement written होना चाहिए. So that is known as partnership deed. Whenever there is a written agreement between the partners of that partnership firm or before starting the partnership firm, right? So that is known as partnership deed. So what do you mean by the term partnership deed? It is a stamped paper on which the rules are written. It contains the rights and duties of each partner in a partnership firm. Right, students? Rights, duties, responsibilities of a partners in a partnership firm is known as partnership deed. Partnership deed can be made only when the partners are allow themselves as a written agreement. They allowed mutually कि written agreement हमारी partnership firm का होना चाहिए. So what are the contents in partnership deed? उस partnership deed में अब contents क्या आएंगे, क्या क्या बातें लिखी जाएंगी? What are the things that comes under partnership deed? So let's discuss one by one. The very first is name of the firm. Name of the firm आएगा बेटा उसमें. Name and address of the partners. Each and every partner का name and address आएगा. Nature and place of business. क्या nature है, क्या place है business का, nature किस तरीके का business है, whether wholesale है, retail है और manufacturing business है, factory है. Right, students? Capital contributed by each partner. हर एक partner ने कितनी capital contribute करी है. Profit sharing ratio of each partner. क्या उनका profit sharing ratio है? It depends upon the capital invested by each partner. Right, students? Rights and duties of each partners. Modes of maintaining accounts. किस तरीके से अकाउंट्स बनाने, कहाँ से अकाउंट्स बनवाने हैं, वेदर 6 months अकाउंट्स हैज टू बी मेंटेन, ईयरली अकाउंट्स हैज टू बी मेंटेन और क्वार्टरली अकाउंट्स हैज टू बी मेंटेन, जो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स होती है. मोड्स ऑफ मेंटेनिंग अकाउंट्स. रेट्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पेबल टू पार्टनर्स ऑन देयर कैपिटल एंड ऑन अमाउंट विड्रॉन बाय देम. राइट, हाउ मच रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज टू बी मेड ऑन द कैपिटल एंड हाउ मच अमाउंट हैज टू बी विड्रॉन बाय द पार्टनर फ्रॉम इट्स कैपिटल, राइट, पर्सनली. Method of solving disputes. Of course, if there is dispute, so how to solve the disputes among the partners. Amount of salary payable to partners. कितनी salary मिलेगी partners को. So this is the contents. These are the contents of partnership deed. So partnership deed, it is a stamped paper in which the rules, regulations, rights, duty of each and every partner has to be written. Right? Partnership deed तभी बनाई जाती है जब partnership को आपने written में एग्रीमेंट उसका कराना है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो आई होप पार्टनरशिप डीड इज क्लियर टू यू. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ अ पार्टनरशिप फर्म. एज आई टोल्ड यू स्टूडेंट्स अर्लियर, रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म इज नॉट कंपल्सरी, इट इज ऑप्शनल. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? अगर पार्टनरशिप का रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं होता है तो व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स और कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस फेस्ड बाय ईच पार्टनर? There are several consequences, there are several problems which is faced by each partner or partnership firm if the partnership firm is not registered under the Indian Partnership Act 1932 by ROP, Registrar of Partnership Firm. So let's discuss. It is not compulsory for a partnership firm to get itself registered, but an unregistered firm suffers from the following problems. Now what are those problems? There are 4 consequences mainly which an unregistered firm has to suffer. The very first is a partner cannot file a case against the partnership firm. Right, student? A partner cannot file a case against the partnership firm if the partnership is not registered. Right? Second, a partner of an unregistered firm cannot file a case against any other partner of an unregistered firm. Right, students? Third one is a partnership, an unregistered firm cannot file a suit or case against any third party or outsiders for recovery of claim. वो पार्टनरशिप फर्म कोई भी क्लेम को रिकवरी करने के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, क्योंकि बेटा उसकी पार्टनरशिप फर्म इज नॉट रजिस्टर्ड। ये क्लेम कहाँ से मिल सकता है, ये क्लेम कौन सा हो सकता है, ये क्लेम बेटा उसके अपने डेटर्स हो सकते हैं बेटा, और जो सप्लायर्स हो सकते हैं जिन्होंने अमाउंट टाइम पे नहीं दिया है। तो एन अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म हैज टू सफर दीज कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज। नाउ द फोर्थ वन, द अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म कैन नॉट फाइल अ केस अगेंस्ट एनी ऑफ द पार्टनर। एक अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म भी अपने पार्टनर्स के ऊपर कोई केस नहीं कर सकती। तो आई होप these 4 points they are very much clear to you. So let's discuss one by one what are the consequences of non-registration. The very first is a partner cannot file a case against the partnership firm. कोई भी पार्टनर अपनी पार्टनरशिप फर्म के ऊपर कोई केस नहीं कर सकता है if there is any dispute between that partner and partnership firm, if the partnership is not registered. Second, a partner of an unregistered firm cannot file a case against any other partner of an unregistered firm. स्टूडेंट, एक पार्टनर दूसरे पार्टनर के ऊपर भी केस नहीं कर पाएगा इफ द पार्टनरशिप फर्म इज अनरजिस्टर्ड। थर्ड इज स्टूडेंट, एन अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म कैन नॉट फाइल अ केस और सूट अगेंस्ट एनी थर्ड पार्टी और आउटसाइडर फॉर रिकवरी ऑफ क्लेम। किसी भी क्लेम के लिए कोई रिकवरी के लिए एक अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म केस नहीं कर सकती टू द थर्ड पार्टीज। फोर्थ, द अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म कैन नॉट फाइल अ केस अगेंस्ट एनी ऑफ द पार्टनर्स। राइट स्टूडेंट्स, एक अनरजिस्टर्ड फर्म अपने पार्टनर्स के ऊपर भी क्लेम नहीं कर सकती, अपने पार्टनर के ऊपर भी केस नहीं कर सकती इफ देयर इज एनी डिस्प्यूट। तो आई होप द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन इज वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू। Now come to the next part. Next part is types of partnership firm. Right students, there are two types of partnership firm on the basis of duration, and the second one is on the basis of liability of partners. Right students, so on the basis of duration we have already studied. Right students, the very first is partnership at will. Partnership at will में हमने इससे पहले पढ़ा था बेटा, it is the will of a partner. Any partner can join anytime or leave anytime with the concern notice. Right students, second one क्या है बेटा, fixed partnership. Fixed period partnership means एक fixed time के लिए partnership बनाई जाती है, say at least 3 years or 5 years. After the completion of that period, partnership will get automatically dissolved. Now C कौन सी है बेटा, particular partnership. Particular partnership is that kind of partnership जो कि एक particular venture, एक particular project के लिए बनाई जाती है. As soon as that venture or project is completed, the partnership is dissolved automatically. जैसे for making roads, dams, bridges. Right students, वो प्रोजेक्ट पूरा हो जाता है तो पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म अपना क्लोज हो जाती है। नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट वन, लिमिटेड पार्टनरशिप। राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो लिमिटेड पार्टनरशिप, देयर आर ओनली टू टाइप्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप जस्ट अंडर ऑन द बेस ऑफ लायबिलिटी। ऑन द बेस ऑफ लायबिलिटी देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म, जनरल पार्टनरशिप एंड लिमिटेड पार्टनरशिप। नाउ जनरल पार्टनरशिप मीन्स सिंपल पार्टनरशिप। राइट, पार्टनर्स कैन ज्वाइन द पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस, contributes capital, take actively participate in the management of the firm, share profit and losses, right students, and have got unlimited liability. Right, so this kind of partnership is simple partnership, general partnership. Now come to the second one, limited partnership. Now it is very much important. What do you mean by limited partnership? That comes under on the basis of liability of members. So on the basis of liability of members, limited partnership means at least one member has got unlimited liability and the rest of the partners has got limited liability. At least one member has got unlimited liability, बाकी rest of the partners के पास बेटा limited liability होगी। अच्छा, rest of the partners की जो limited liability होगी students, these partners are not allowed to participate in the management of the firm. Right students, so let's discuss partners having unlimited liability while others having limited liability. Registration is compulsory. बेटा इसका registration is compulsory होता है. Death, insolvency of such partner does not affect the continuity of the partnership. Of course, अगर उनमें से limited partnership में से किसी भी partner की death हो जाती है, insolvent हो जाता है, तो partnership चलती रहेगी, partnership dissolve नहीं होगी. Students, right students, और जिन partners की liability limited है, उनको they are not allowed to participate in the management of the firm. Right student, no right to participate in the business nor act binding to other partners. Of course, जिन पार्टनरशिप इस पार्टनरशिप के अंदर जिन पार्टनर्स की लायबिलिटी बेटा लिमिटेड है, उस कंडीशन के अंदर नो राइट टू पार्टिसिपेट, दोज पार्टनर्स हैव नो राइट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द फर्म. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, एंड नॉर एक्ट बाइंडिंग टू अदर partners. Right students, I hope it is very much clear to you. Right students, so let's discuss one by one. Today we have studies the types of partners that comes under partnership, then partnership deed, then registration of a partnership firm, and types of partnership firm. Types of partnership firm, there are two types of partnership firm. On the basis of duration, there are three types of partnership: partnership at will, fixed period partnership, and particular partnership. Right students, second is on the basis of liability of members. On the basis of liability of members, there are two partnership: general partnership and limited partnership. General partnership means normal partnership, where partners can join the business of a firm, contributes capital, share profit and losses, has got unlimited liability and liable for the third party for firm's debt. Right students, और उस पार्टनरशिप के अंदर किसी की भी डेथ से भी, इंसॉल्वेंसी से, बैंक्रप्सी से पार्टनरशिप डिसॉल्व हो जाएगी. Now come to the another one, that is known as limited partnership. Right students, so under limited partnership, only one partner has got unlimited liability and rest of the partners has got limited liability. Right students, अब rest of the partners has got limited liability, right? उस condition के अंदर they do not participate in the management of the firm. Right student, as it has been written in this, so let's discuss it. Limited partnership, only one partner has unlimited liability while others have limited liability. Registration, of course, registration of that partnership firm is compulsory. Right student, death, insolvency of such partners does not affect the continuity of business. Right students, under limited partnership, अगर उस किसमें से किसी पार्टनरशिप की डेथ हो जाती है तो पार्टनरशिप कैन कंटिन्यू. Right student, no right to participate in the business nor act binding on other partners. Right students, those partners has no right to participate in the management of the firm or not act binding to other partners. I hope the types of partnership firm is very much clear to you students. Right students, so let's discuss one by one. The very first is types of partners. So what do you mean by the term active partners? Active partners who contributes capital, right, and share profit and losses in the business. These are said to be active partners. Sleeping or dormant partners. Sleeping or dormant partners contributes capital, does not participate in management, right students, gets share in profit and loss and has got unlimited liability. Secret partners. Secret partners are those partners, students, whose relation with the firm is not known to the outsiders. Nominal partners are those partners who give their names to the other partners, right students. He does not contribute capital and does not share profit and losses. Partner by estoppel, जो contribute करते हैं as अपना नाम at the time of loan only, उनका नाम ऐसे गारंटर आता है, otherwise वो partners नहीं होते हैं. Partner by holding out, who pretend that they are the partner of that firm, right students, but originality